I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by listing materials and capacities to build a countertop ice cream machine. Gather a 5-quart food-safe bucket, a 12V, 30 RPM permanent magnet DC motor, a 1-inch stainless steel spindle, and a freezer-safe mixing canister sized for 5-quart batches. Add an insulated cooler or foam box for thermal buffering, silicone sealant, hose clamps, and basic tools. Drill, hole saw, files, and epoxy. Note power plan. Use a 12V battery or regulated supply. Only switch to 24V if the motor rating and wiring are. Begin mechanical assembly by preparing the mixing canister lid. Center mark and drill a 1-inch hole to pass the stainless spindle and fit a silicone bushing for a watertight, low-friction seal. Build a motor mount from 1/2-inch plywood and secure the 12V motor with M4 bolts and nylon washers. Align the motor shaft so the spindle runs concentric to the canister centerline. Use a keyed coupler or epoxy-bonded clamp to attach the paddle to the spindle and lock it with a 3mm set screw. Then check free rotation and clearance. Finish with electrical hookups and operation. Wire a 12V PWM speed controller between the 12V supply and the motor, using correct polarity and a 10A fuse. Tune speed to 1540 RPM for slow, effective churning. Pre-chill a 1-quart ice cream base to 36 degrees Fahrenheit, pour into the canister, and engage the motor. Churn for about 20 to 30 minutes until the mixture reaches a soft serve texture. After churning, quick release the spindle, transfer the canister to a freezer, and freeze at 0 degrees Fahrenheit overnight for firm set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.